Are you tired of spending hours on repetitive tasks that could be automated? With AI tools, you can automate all your business tasks and free up valuable time to focus on what truly matters. Growing your business. Join the thousands of the world's top marketers, influencers, and business gurus who agree that artificial intelligence has the power to grow any business to new heights. It's no surprise that they are raking in millions, and even though they have somewhere stressed the huge power of artificial intelligence that gets audiences hooked and makes the most from it for boosting their brand without spending huge on other marketing channels. So, the final choice is yours. Embrace the change. Join the new 2023 focused Google-powered technology and pay low one-time fees today to get these 200 exclusive business-boosting tools under one dashboard. Automate all your business tasks using 200+ AI tools for free. World's first Google-Bard PLM to AI powered app that gives you limitless Bard power, limitless profit. AI Core. World's first 200-in-1 ChatGPT and OpenAi killer Google Bard PLM to powered app suite that does everything. Creating content, Catchy graphics, converting text to video, text to image, ChatGPT AI chatbot, keyword to video, keyword to image, corrects grammar, makes image variations, writes product names, interviews, summarizes and explains text, topic outlines, sentiment analysis, proofreading, analogy maker, keyword extractor, add copy and spreadsheet generator in just 2 minutes. Let Google AI automate your daily tasks like smartly creating attention-grabbing marketing content, images, videos, and much more. Just sit back and watch your profits grow. 100% Google PLM2 supported app that works smoothly on every device. Get 200+ PLM2 powered premium business tools at the price of one. Get the first mover advantage and crush your competition. Say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple ChatGPT and AI apps once and for all. Use artificial intelligence to create and sell attention-grabbing marketing assets to hungry audiences globally. Build high-converting sales video scripts, ads copies, trending articles, etc. in 3 clicks. Stop paying huge monthly fees to expensive copywriters, freelancers, video creators forever. Commercial license included. Generate and sell as many assets as you like to clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Stop hustling when this tool does everything for you in 3 easy clicks. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. Get premium never offered before bonuses with your access today. AI Core uses Google Bard PLM2 powers and does everything in 3 easy steps, and there's no huge investment or time needed. With AI Core, you're just a click away from a stampede of hungry buyers. Attract the attention of thousands of website visitors using eye-catchy visuals. Get more exposure for your offers using 100% SEO-optimized and plagiarism-free content. Drive laser-targeted traffic to your offers without any third-party dependency. Create amazing advertisements to boost sales and profits in a cost-effective manner. Take your business in the right direction and skyrocket business growth. With AI Core, it's time to use the powers of artificial intelligence to grow your business. AI Core has everything needed to stop paying huge monthly fees to expensive AI platforms. Be the first to enjoy latest Google Bard tech. Visit the link in the description box to watch AI Core in action now.